Globalwin Group was founded on February 14, 2014 in Shenzhen, Guangdong, China, which was the famous toys gifts producing base all over the world. Is a group company focused on drones and intelligent toys areas, researching, developing and production. Our parent company Globalwin Group Holdings Co., Limited holds and wholly owns over 11 factories in Shenzhen to consolidate the source and divide the sales and production, and our company, Shenzhen Globalwin Intelligent Technology Co., Limited, Sales Center, as the headquarter office of our group and the external sales window, are responsible for sales of the products from our factories. Independent system can stand on reception, market environment, product popularity, styles, and even intellectual property protection angle. Give our factories production requirements, QC, design suggestions, and so on from the perspective of customers. So far, Tao achieved global win with global partners has been the core belief throughout our operation all the time, which leads us to keep growing with our business partners, including clients, staff, and material services suppliers. We now have our own brands: Global Drone, Selfie Drone, Global Phone HUD, Shadadu, and so on, and sell products to many countries and areas from Europe, America, Australia, Asia, Africa. Have accumulated years of experience of being the top supplier for global big buyers. Our many products are the best sellers and Amazon choice of Amazon, Temu, AliExpress, Lazada, Shopee, and other cross-border e-commerce platform. We look forward to cooperating and win-win with you.
We Globalwin Toys strongly devote ourselves to supply high quality and safety toys and hobbies.